Let's see. Pick left ear. If the picture's unclear, please use an alcohol swab. I got it. And there it is. Whoa, look at that. How cool. This is inside my ear. Holy cow, I got a lot of hair in my ear. But there you go. So you can actually see what is inside your ear. How cool. Look at that. And then you can just start, oh, look at that. That's just taking that right out. That's pretty wild. So that is my right ear. And we'll take it out and we'll go in my left ear. Now I just took a shower, so there's a little moisture probably in my ear, but you can actually see how that's picking off and cleaning your ear. Wow, check that out. How cool. There you go. So I'll give you an idea how to connect and see what's going on in your ear.